here in Beverly Hills at the Montage Hotel, and I'm so happy to celebrate with all of you the launch of my first book, Heal Up, which is really meant to empower everyone to live a healthier life. We have about 200 guests, celebrities, health professionals, patients that are coming together to really experience a healthier place to be. I have spent over 6 years putting together the information in this book, and it's really come from a place of love. I wanted to make it simple for my patients. A lot of people ask me, Dr. Sanda, can I take a pill to help me heal? No, nothing replaces a healthy lifestyle, clean air, energetic field, hydration, sleep, and of course together with the right nutritional supplements. That's what Heal Up is all about. I want to thank everyone for being here. It's been an amazing experience, feeling the love from everyone, from my friends, my colleagues, the Beverly Hills community, and I feel this book is going to make a difference in the world and in the lives of so many people.